Silence! Class is now in session. And welcome to the Dallas Kitchen where we spill the tea on everything food. Today I'm with the gorgeous
Fatima Idha.
Karibu sana Fatima Idha. How does it feel to be in my kitchen?
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, so today we're going to be making delicious chocolate chip cookies.
Mm-hmm.
Do you bake?
Not really.
Yeah.
No.
So
I don't have the
cookies,
patience.
you only see chocolate chip cookies at bakeries?
At my sister's, yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to make them from scratch. So what we need, let's go over the ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
We have 230 grams of butter. We have 360 grams of wheat flour, that's all-purpose flour. We have 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then here we have 1.5 cup of dark chocolate cut into chunks, and here we have 1 cup of milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Always use the chocolate that you enjoy eating, because that's the flavor that will go through your cookies. We have 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar. So first we're going to cream the butter and the sugar, both the brown sugar and white sugar. So tutilie butter hapo. Alafu huku tuambie Fatima Idha, when somebody sees you or meets you for the first time, what is the something that they usually get wrong about you?
They always think I'm rude.
You don't look rude.
To you maybe, but to some people I do look rude. I do look bossy. Yeah.
Okay, because I think she's really cute. She's really friendly. She looks friendly. That's my personal take.
Thank you.
Tutilie na sukari.
So is there a difference with the sugar? Because me, I would have just used normal sugar.
Now, brown sugar adds richness and that caramel, deep caramel flavor. Brown sugar has like a molasses taste. White sugar is just sweet.
But it all is.
Yes, put it on. That's 2 cups of sugar. We're going to put it on our handy dandy stand mixer. Many of you have been asking where I got my stand mixer. This was a gift from my dearest auntie from the US. So, sijui hapa Kenya mtaipata wapi. But you can use a hand mixer, you can use a stand mixer, ama weza tumia mwiko. So, as an online personality, what was the video that made you go like, wow, I can do this for a living?
I did a mango ice lolly.
That's what went viral?
Yeah, in a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you can cook as well?
Yes, I'm a good cook.
Hebu tuambie, is there something that you ever posted online and then you were like, why shouldn't have posted that?
Listen, a lot of things I post, I later look at them and I'm like, yo, what was I thinking? You know? Like for content I would go out. But I'm a very, like, I like to explore. Yeah.
Alafu, leo, because of mimi tangu Fatima Idha aje, I've been wanting her to say those words. You guys know, hebu tuambie.
Are you in Mombasa or planning to come to Mombasa? Well, don't worry, we got you sorted.
We got you sorted. That's my favorite line. How did you come up with that?
It was just something that I would say because I feel like a lot of people don't promote Mombasa. We live here, we stay here, but we choose Kanairo people. We choose Lamu, we choose Zanzibar, but we don't really focus on where we live.
So wewe kama uko Mombasa na humjui Fatima Idha. Fatima Idha, she does content where she plugs you the best places to eat, the best places to buy clothes, the best places to do what? Basically everything that you would do in Mombasa, you would find it in her page. And she gives honest reviews. Are you paid to give the reviews?
No. If I honestly like something, I put it out there because I want to welcome these people to come and see part of our culture and our places.
That's really nice of you, Tamani. She has the heart of gold. Munaona mixture yetu vile imekuwa light. This is what we want. Before we add our eggs, let's mix our flour. Here hapa. Flour. Said this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Just whisk that together. Kila siku nawaambia before you put in eggs, make sure you crack them on the side so that you don't put bad eggs. So 1 egg at a time. We're going to use a total of 2 eggs. We're mixing it in.
So I've seen a couple of your videos and the fact that you really take care of yourself in terms of skin. Tell us a bit about that. It's so rare to find men who take care of themselves.
Yeah, so there's this misconception that men should not take care of their skin. Who said so? Unaona, especially sisi tuko kwenye mitandao, you know, as they say, tunauza sura. So you have to take care of your skin. And Abosto is my biggest plug because Abosto sells legitimate skincare products.
Where are they located?
Promenade Mall, first floor in Mombasa. They also have a branch in Nairobi, Kisumu, all over Kenya. So go check them out in their page.
I'll make sure to visit.
Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients into our... I'm adding half. Then on low speed, we're going to mix it.
That easy.
Yeah.
It's that easy. That's it.
That is it. So
wow.
We're going to finish the rest of the mixing by hand. Kwa sababu tukiendelea na mashini, tuta overmix alafu cookies zetu zitakuwa ngumu.
Oh, okay.
Because unajua unga wa ngano una gluten, protein. So the more you work it, ile ukiactivate zile gluten, inakuwa tough kama vile mkate.
Yeah. I didn't even say congratulations on your weight loss. Ah, you're looking fine. Hey, I think this is, hey, isn't it obvious?
Yes, I'm down 25 kilos.
Hey, Allahumma barik, clock it.
Na bado, we're still going. So, as I told you, we're going to use a mixture of milk chocolate and dark chocolate. Na mimi nawaambia, use the chocolate that you like to eat. Because that will... Oh, so do you like chocolate?
I do.
Huh?
I love chocolate.
There's some people who don't like chocolate, imagine.
I just don't like other stuff, but I do love chocolate.
Because as a baker, I get a lot of, oh, Missy Pendi cake is a chocolate. Huh? Like,
what?
Are you even, what are you talking about?
I don't like vanilla.
So all I'm doing is
cake.
folding. Try and fold and see the texture.
Very nice.
I will smell it.
I can smell it from the moment you removed it there. Yeah.
You feel that butter?
Yeah, it has the butter feel, yeah.
So mimi wanawambia, you can choose to use margarine or butter. But I prefer butter because without butter you won't get that smell that you're smelling from the cookies. So our cookies are ready. This is how your dough should look like. Now we're going to form into balls. We're going to form into 40-gram balls. So 40 grams. Here we have a baking tray lined with parchment paper. This is a tablespoon. Unachukua tablespoon, upime. Usually I do about 40 grams per cookie.
Hii glass iko sawa hapa ya green.
It's good to measure kwa sababu ndo cookies zote ziive at the same time.
Okay.
Zingine zikiwa kubwa, zingine zikiwa ndogo, hazitaiva at the same time. Nyingine zitakuwa brown, nyingine zitakuwa bado white. So ukishachukua hiyo, you turn it into a ball, then just like that.
That's simple.
That's simple. So we're gonna do the rest. Tanisaidia. Fatima, alafu niambie, what is something that you have learned in life? The biggest lesson that you have learned in life, or you're still trying to figure it out?
Learned, I'm still trying to figure it out. Yeah.
No, like
in terms of
lesson, maybe in terms of relationship or business.
Kwanza, in terms of relationship, don't trust a man unless he's put a ring on your finger. And in terms of business, never share your ideas. No matter how genuine your heart is, just don't be sharing your ideas.
That's a really good tip.
Yeah.
Relationship-wise, are you married or are you seeing somebody? Are you in a relationship?
Shall I answer what you want me to answer?
No, I want you to be truthful. I'm sure the audience wants to know also. That's you can put it here.
I'm married.
You're married?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, she's taken, gentlemen.
I'm joking. I don't have a ring on my finger.
Oh, so hakuna Mr. Mr. Fatima Idha.
Mr. Fatima Idha, no, not at the moment.
Oh, okay. So, tunajua you have your business.
Mm-hmm.
Sindio?
Mm-hmm.
Tell us something more about your business.
So, I had a hijab store in Pakistan, but I recently closed it down, trying to figure out on a new location.
I saw you posted on your Instagram about they were doing some construction.
It was
what was up with that?
I have no idea what they were doing, but my customers were constantly complaining not having access to come in.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, I'm figuring it out. In the meantime, I'm selling online hijabs that I'm wearing, like this. Very
These
cute.
are from your store?
Yeah.
Okay, clock it.
And I also have seafood business.
Mm-hmm.
I think you've seen it. It's called Under the Sea, where I sell seafood platters.
I love seafood. I saw the post. Go check her page out.
Yeah.
There's this delicious seafood platter. It's a seafood boil, I believe. Mm-hmm. Looks very delicious. I haven't tried it, but inshallah one day I will. Mm-hmm. Should we talk about your past marriage? Or no?
Whatever.
Are you
Like any people know.
No, but tutaka kujua the tea, like why did you guys split up? What happened? Yeah. Okay. So, many people know that you were married before to a very famous guy. Yeah, what happened? Why did you guys split up?
Well, we just fell apart. His dreams and his vision and mine, they weren't on the same page.
Did not align.
Yeah, they didn't align.
It's very important to marry somebody that your visions align.
Yeah, so when we saw that we're both moving separate ways.
So it was mutual separation. Okay.
We're still friends.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
These ones are going to the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Our oven has been preheating since we started mixing. Flip oven. The middle rack. Our cookies are ready. Ngai wako ni munene, ngai wako ni munene. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Our cookies have cooled. Mazana zimetokelea ama zijatokelea?
They smell so good first of all. Yeah.
Yeah, and they look good as well. So, let's have a taste, Cindy.
Let them view properly, like hello. Do you see this?
These are homemade cookies.
Falling in the deep.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed our recipe, kindly hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you go follow Fatima Idha on all her social media platforms. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook at Chef Faisal Dallas.